Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can draw in Figma. So firstly you need to open up your Figma application, then create a blank project. Now after opening a blank project, if you look at the top left corner, you will find a square with a drop down button. Its name is shape tool. Just click on that, and inside you will find multiple types of shape like rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon and star. These are the basic shapes that you will get in Figma. By using these shapes you can also create multiple things. So let me show you how to make things by using these shapes. So now you can see I only used these shapes to create this simple illustration. So now let me answer some of the questions you may have. That for example, how did I fill a color? After you click at the shape, at the right hand corner you will find a column called fill. Over there you will see the color. Just click on the color and choose any color you may like. So that's how you can change color. You can do the same thing for all of them. For example, for the cone, I will choose on the cone, then again I will change the color. So as you can see, this is how I changed the color for everything. So your next question might be how I got the curved corner. That's very simple. Let me take another object to show you. Rectangle. Then I created a simple rectangle. As you can see, this object has no curved edges. So what you have to do is to just click the object and go to the right hand side panel and click to the corner radius. Over there either you can hold and do it manually. As you can see, it is changing. Or what you can do is just enter a random number. For example, let's say 50 or maybe 100. As you can see, the corner has been changed. So that's how you can change corner of any object. Let me do this to the triangle. I click the triangle, then again I will go to the corner side and I will select and I will insert 100. See, now the corners of this triangle have also been curved. Now the next question that you may have is how did I got the outline to all the objects? That's also very simple. Just click on any object, then you will find a column called stroke and just give some stroke. Let me show you in another object. I will just create an ellipse, a circle. As you can see, this circle has no outline. So now just click the circle, then press the plus icon at the stroke. Now if you see carefully, there is a very thin layer of stroke around the circle. In order to increase this, just click the circle and over there you will find these 3 lines where it is written 1. Just go and insert, let's say 10. So that's how you define the size of a stroke. You can also do manually by just clicking and dragging. See, that's all. Now the next question that you might have, how did I make the doors? Now for that you need to learn about another tool that we have, which is called pen tool. So in order to take the pen tool, you could use the shortcut P, or you can just click on the option and select it manually. So what does the pen tool do? Pen tool helps you to create path from one point to another. So for example, if I click on the page, there is a point which is attached to the page. Now I could drag it to anywhere and a straight line will form. So let's say I will take till here, and then again I will use left click. So as you can see, I used pen tool to make a straight line. Now if you want to curve a line, what you have to do is just click and hold and then move your mouse like this. So that's how you can make curves using pen tool. You can again just click and hold and it will curve again and again. And if you want to close the object that you made, just click on the first point which you created. So now you have created a shape using pen tool. But right now this is not a shape, this is just a path. If I just give a simple stroke to it, let's say or 159, So as you can see, this is still not a shape, but just few lines attached to each other. So how you can make this a shape? So what you have to do is go at the top left corner and select bucket tool. This one, just click on it and then simply click on the object that you made. That's all. So now if you see, this is a complete shape, not any simple lines. And for some reason, if you don't know how to get to the bucket tool or you are unable to access it, you can always do is, let me go back first. Now as you see, this is again simple lines. What you have to do if you are unable to access the bucket tool, just click at the path you created and just press enter. What that will do is take you to the editor mode, and now you can edit the object as you may like. So again, I will click the bucket tool and I will just click on inside the object that I made to make it a complete shape. And then after I am satisfied with everything I want, I'll just press done. So that's how you can use pen tool to create shapes. So now let me show you how you can change or edit vertex of a shape that you created through pen tool, or any object in that matter. So as you can see, I created the simple object using pen tool. So now what I will do, in order to go into the edit mode, I will just click on the object and press enter. If I want to edit the vertex point, what I have to do is click at the move button or press V, or you can just directly manually click over here. So if I want to edit this vertex point, I will just click and hold the vertex point and I will drag wherever I want to keep it. So for example, if I want this vertex point to be here, I will just click and leave it. So as you can see, I changed the polygon shape by only editing one single vertex point. So again, change the vertex point, just click and hold and drag wherever you may like it. For example, I will keep it right here. So as you can see, I again changed the shape using one single vertex point. So there is one more tool that you need to know in order to perfectly use Figma. You need to know about the bend tool. In order to use bend tool, you can just hold CTRL and just curve whatever object you may like this. So just click at the vertex point and hold CTRL. You need to keep holding CTRL in order to bend or curve the vertex. So as you can see, I am able to bend the vertex. You can also choose the bend tool just by manually clicking on the bend option right here. So that's how you can bend vertices using the bend tool. And after completing everything, you can just press done. You can make multiple designs by using shapes and pen tool options, like a simple illustration, a logo, or a very complex illustration. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.